Looking for some cool, useful, and downright awesome tools you can grab right off Amazon? Whether you're a gadget geek or just love discovering things that make life easier, you're in the right place. Welcome to Techverse. If you're new here, great to have you. And to all our returning subscribers, welcome back. You know how we do it. Let's jump right into today's lineup of cool tools you can buy on Amazon. Trelawney Scabbling Hammer, a powerful and adaptable tool designed for surface preparation on both metal and concrete. Ideal for treatments that require rust or old paint removal. Equipped with cross-shaped heads fitted with tough tungsten carbide tips, this tool utilizes vibration to effectively clean surfaces. The vibration levels on this model are designed to remain low while still providing efficiency. A flexible handle allows for easy maneuvering in tight spaces and can be adjusted into a straight configuration for added versatility. The quick change feature for the heads ensures ease of use, while their durable construction helps them maintain sharpness even after extensive work. Craig Foreman Pocket. The Hole Maker is an innovative tool that streamlines your tasks, working significantly faster than traditional methods. Designed with a user-friendly interface, it is quick to set up and highly adaptable to various projects. Powered by a 120-volt power source, this woodworking tool excels in drilling, creating pocket holes, and forming grooves for seamless connections. Its portability allows for easy relocation, while it can also function as a stationary unit when mounted. With a maximum rotation speed of 2,800 revolutions per minute, it features a specialized clamp to keep materials securely in place throughout your work. Rapid Hammer Tacker. Designed for use with R19 staples, this tool is also compatible with R13 staples, offering versatility for various tasks. Its innovative design is especially effective for accessing difficult-to-reach spaces. Built with high-quality chrome-plated metal, the tacker is durable, resistant to wear, and corrosion-proof. Featuring an ergonomic, non-slip handle, it provides comfort and ease during extended use. This model includes a convenient staple loading system and allows for adjustable depth, ensuring precise stapling every time. Simply position the tacker, tap the striker, and the staple is securely fixed. Ideal for stapling wood, fabric, leather, and more. This compact tool ensures reliable, efficient performance. Karcher Ice Scraper, a compact and efficient tool designed to make winter car maintenance easier. This handheld scraper features a rotating disc with 6 plastic blades that spin at a speed of 500 revolutions per minute, allowing for fast ice removal. Powered by a rechargeable 2,500 mAh battery, it operates wirelessly, providing convenience without the hassle of cords. The 11 centimeters disc ensures thorough cleaning, effectively clearing your car's windows and windshield. Simply turn on the device, apply gentle pressure to the glass, and the rotating disc will quickly eliminate frost and ice. Its lightweight, ergonomic design offers comfort during use, making it a great alternative to traditional manual scrapers. Ideal for those cold mornings, this scraper saves you valuable time and effort. Jacari Quadro, a versatile multi-tool designed to streamline wire preparation tasks. This plier does more than just grip. It cuts, strips insulation, twists strands, and crimps lugs, all from one handy tool. Ideal for crimping spooled lugs, it ensures fast and accurate crimps every time. Switching lug sizes is straightforward with the easy-to-change magazine system. Its ergonomic design allows for comfortable use even in confined spaces, while the robust construction promises durability for long-term use. Compatible with wire cross-sections from 0.5 to 2.5 millimeters, the Jacari Quadro is perfect for both home and professional applications. Whether tackling small repairs or large installations, it provides consistent and reliable results. Bionic Wrench, a unique hand tool that blends the functionality of pliers and an adjustable wrench. At 8 inches in length, it distributes force evenly, adapting automatically to various nut and bolt sizes, reducing stress on the corners. Designed for single-handed operation, this tool allows easy tightening or loosening, with a strong grip that ensures effective performance. It prevents slipping, stripping, and rounding of fasteners, while also protecting delicate surfaces like plastic, copper, and aluminum from scratches. Ergonomically designed for comfort, it can be used with either hand or in any position. The Bionic Wrench is also ideal for removing nuts or bolts that may have been damaged by other tools, providing unmatched versatility and durability for any project. SFHDs, a practical and efficient system designed to facilitate the seamless installation of terrace decking. Using self-tapping screws, it securely attaches to the edges of boards, creating a smooth and refined surface that enhances the sleek, minimalist look of your terrace. Achieving this polished design would be difficult with conventional methods. This tool minimizes the risk of wood damage, working flawlessly with stainless steel decking screws. Included spacers ensure consistent spacing between each board, making the process straightforward and uniform. The system offers 2 tool versions, one for boards ranging from 3.35 to 4.33 inches wide, and another for those between 4.33 and 5.91 inches wide. With SFHDs, you'll experience a faster, more precise, and safe installation, ensuring a flawless finish every time. Tough-Built Utility Knife, a revolutionary tool designed for demanding jobs. The Tough-Built Utility Knife brings efficiency and ease to blade changes. Featuring a cutting-edge quick-change system, simply press the button to eject the old blade and load a fresh one with a smooth click from the magazine. The magazine holds 5 blades, while an additional chamber stores 10 more, ensuring you stay prepared during long work sessions. Blade swaps are simplified by pressing a reset button to release the magazine. Constructed from durable aluminum and zinc alloys, the knife is built to withstand tough conditions. Its ergonomic, non-slip rubber handle provides secure grip and comfort, while the built-in finger guard enhances safety. Whether cutting through tough materials or handling complex tasks, the Tough-Built Utility Knife is the ideal companion. Delco Zunder. A game-changing tool for drywall finishing, the Delco Zunder is designed to speed up the process with its innovative dual-sided applicator. This allows for the simultaneous application of compound and joint sealing tape, streamlining tasks on flat joints inside corners and square structures in a fraction of the time, without the need for constant adjustments. Built from high-strength polycarbonate, it features a flow control dial for precise compound distribution. The tool's single clamp system enables easy loading and cleaning. Compatible with both paper and paperless fiber tape, it accommodates rolls up to 500 feet long. With padded handles that are adjustable for comfort, this tool suits both left and right-handed users. Enhance your drywall projects with the Delco Zunder, the ideal tool for quick and accurate finishing every time. JESUM Jig Master. The spindle jointing system is engineered to elevate your joint-making experience, offering both accuracy and top-notch performance. This comprehensive template and accessory set allows for fast and consistent screw joint assembly. The precision machine surfaces ensure perfect dowel pin placements on both the end and face of your materials. With its adjustable screw placements and versatility to accommodate different hole patterns, this system provides flexibility for various projects. The integrated alignment slot makes aligning screw holes seamless, even across greater distances. Crafted from durable machine aluminum and stainless steel with anodized locating pins, this kit promises long-lasting resilience and protection against wear. Ideal for achieving professional quality results with ease and efficiency. Crescent Tool Backpack. The perfect storage solution for easy access and organization of tools. Equipped with spacious mesh interior pockets with zippers, this backpack also boasts a front pocket that expands to fit larger items, plus a magnetic closure pocket for quick retrieval. The side pockets, along with a water bottle holder and a measuring tape clip, make it a versatile option for various tasks. Its vibrant orange color ensures high visibility in dimly lit environments, while the ergonomic handle provides a secure, comfortable grip. Designed for long-lasting use, the high-quality zipper with an oversized tab offers added convenience. With a tough polypropylene base and metal hardware, this backpack stands up to the demands of rugged use. Ibanstock EDB, a high-performance saw engineered for cutting through a variety of materials such as wood, foam concrete, hollow bricks, and plastics. It guarantees smooth, accurate cuts with minimal edge damage. Equipped with a BL lower function to protect the gearbox from dust, it offers increased longevity. The saw features a powerful motor and fast-moving blades that simplify challenging jobs, while its quick blade change system minimizes downtime. An ergonomically designed handle ensures improved control and comfort, allowing for precise results in both professional and demanding tasks. Ideal for heavy-duty applications, this saber saw combines durability with user-friendly performance. Millions Hand Masker, a convenient kit designed for quick and easy application of masking tape and film, providing effective protection for surfaces against paint splatters, dust, and other debris. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor projects, it streamlines the preparation process. The tool features a comfortable ergonomic handle and a safety blade for accurate cuts. Replacing both tape and film is a hassle-free task, ensuring maximum efficiency. Crafted with durable plastic and metal components, this tool is built to last, enabling you to complete your tasks faster and with greater ease. Quad Saw, an innovative drill attachment designed to effortlessly cut square and rectangular holes, especially in drywall. This tool ensures quick, precise cuts, making it perfect for creating openings for outlets or vents. Featuring 4 specialized blades and a main guide drill, it helps maintain accuracy and smooth, level cuts. With both horizontal and vertical leveling, the Quad Saw delivers reliable, straight results consistently. The blades work together to maintain even angles, while the mix of metal, plastic, and aluminum construction ensures durability without added weight. Its quick mount feature makes attaching it to your drill a breeze. Wagner Spray Tech provides a highly effective method for coating walls, ceilings, and various other surfaces with ease. This versatile sprayer is designed to apply water-based textures, including both non-aggregate and aggregate types, as well as diluted sealers. Featuring a 1-gallon adjustable hopper, it is perfect for covering expansive areas like ceilings or walls without hassle. The powerful built-in air turbine ensures optimal airflow, allowing materials to be atomized for a flawless, professional finish. With 3 interchangeable nozzles, the sprayer offers adaptability for various tasks, and the variable flow trigger grants precise control over the texture. A must-have for painters or contractors seeking high-quality results and increased efficiency in their work. Roughneck Log Splitter, a highly efficient and versatile tool crafted for ease of use and portability. Featuring a sliding hammer mechanism, this tool provides a safer method for splitting wood, minimizing the risk of splinters flying compared to traditional axes or sledgehammers. The 10lb handle is equipped with cushioning to absorb shock, offering a secure and comfortable grip during prolonged tasks. Its robust steel build, along with a precisely laser-cut wedge, ensures the splitter's strength and longevity. Whether you're working with firewood or large logs, this log splitter simplifies the job, making it a perfect choice for both safety and performance. KTHB Smart. Engineered for speed and precision in cable taping, this compact stationary tool offers enhanced productivity. Capable of wrapping cables at speeds up to 380 revolutions per minute, it ensures consistent tape tension for a smooth and professional finish. The machine is versatile, accommodating various tape types and widths. Operation is controlled by a foot pedal, and the electric brake ensures the winding head stays securely in place. This feature allows for safe, accurate cuts with the built-in cutter. Perfect for prototype production or small batches, the KTHB Smart seamlessly fits into assembly lines or production setups. Its small design allows for efficient workspace use without compromising performance.